to talk to you about Last Friday Job Party.
Our Last Friday Job Party.
These last Friday job parties.
Really, it's a running webinar series that we have to break down the big ball of the job search process and break it down into more biteable, digestible chunks of information for folks out there on the market, whether they be passive or active.
We know what stands out on LinkedIn. We know what job boards are hot and what hiring managers are looking for. So myself and Ben, we want to bring this information to you, but do it in a way that's not like stuffy HR.
This is a series that we started back in the spring, and it keeps growing every month of how many people show up. And this last one, we had over 100 folks come out to the webinar. Tons of great content, tons of great tactics, like street level tactics that help you get interviews, help you get past the application status piece. And
we'll also set aside, as we always do, 10 to 15 minutes in the back end of this for Q&A. That's really taking further questions, whether it be related to the material that we're talking to at hand that day, or if you've got other things that you want to ask us directly. If I don't answer it during the webinar, if we don't get you an answer during the webinar, we'll come back at you afterward. We'll make sure we personalize some responses to make sure that everyone that has a question or a need gets addressed.
So join us the last Friday of every month at 12 noon. Come have lunch with us, bring a coffee, super casual, connect with our amazing community of job seekers and recruiters, and we can all work together to hopefully make this your last Friday on the job market.